I am currently on a rescue mission. So I got my Alocasia today. Found her at Home Depot on sale for $10. I was like, okay, I gotta get her. So I noticed that she had a spot here and, turning here and here. She has some yellowing on her sides here. So I went to my planter app and I'm just like, hey, what's going on? She was like, trying to diagnose it. I pulled that thing up to check the soil. She was soaked and wet. I'm talking about drip, drop. I could squeeze the water from out the bottom of her and she was stinking. I'm talking about she was smelling so foul. So I had to take all the old dirt off, rinse her off.
Oh, pimp down, pimp in disgrace. Oh my
Made
God,
her some soil
down,
here. So this is a mixture of Miracle Grow indoor potting soil mix for all plants. I mixed 2 parts soil to 1 part of the orchard bark and 1 part of the perlite. So I'm getting ready to repot her and put her back in the pot. Hopefully she don't die on me. I've never had an Alocasia before. And we starting off real dramatic. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add the soil at the bottom of the pot first, then put my plant in, and then go back in again with some of dirt. Every single day. I hope this is enough. I hope her root's gonna be good because it's so strong already with her. I hope she appreciates my efforts. I'm doing this. I'm only killing I mean, she was stank. I was like, oh my gosh, okay. So here she is, Alicia. She's back home in some fresh soil. She's not dripping, soaking wet no more. So she's still standing strong. She's not wilting. So hopefully she'll be doing okay. I didn't add any water to her because she's already been through enough drama as it is, and the soil is already moist a little bit. So we're just gonna let it rest and just let her get comfortable back into her new home. We'll see how she does.